Hello everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And in the last session, we have seen all about the Git stash related questions and the respective commands and the answers to them. And today we're going to look into one more option, that is Git Amend. So while in my tutorial Git with IntelliJ, I have not covered this topic, but it's a very simple and easy topic. So we'll look into that, what is the Git Amend, and we'll see what are the different commands you can use, as well as the I have listed the questions here. Okay, so let's see. So what exactly is the git amend? The concept will go through it, and how to change the old commit message. Suppose you have already committed and you have given some message during the commit, you want to update that message. So how exactly you can do that and update the file content without a new commit? So I have committed some file, but I wanted to do some more changes to that file. So I'll again reopen that file and update some changes, and I'll amend that commit. I'll not create a new commit, I'll amend it to the previous commit. Okay, and the next is the add or remove a file and amend to the last commit. So suppose there is a new addition, a new file is added, or new file is deleted, or existing file is deleted, right? So those changes also, instead of creating a new commit, we can amend it. Okay, so that's what we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, so what exactly is the git amend? Okay, so it's kind of like it allows the developer to modify the last commit. Whatever the last commit developer has done, we can modify that one, and we can modify the commit message, as well as we can modify the content, right? I told, like, we can modify the message, we can modify the content, add or remove. And the problem here is, like, when you do the amend, the old commit will get replaced with your new commit. Okay, and your old commit related things, whatever were there, like the commit message and the things, they will not avail in the commit history. Okay, so this new amended commit will get replaced, the old one will replace by this new amended commit. Okay, so let's say first. Okay, so how many commits we have? Go to the git bash and let's see how many commits, what is the last commit we have. So okay, this is all git status related things. I think I have not committed. Let's see git status modified file1.txt. Okay, so let's commit this one. Okay, git commit hyphen am. Let's say uh, git status related commit. Okay, so done. Okay, done. So now let's say git log. Okay, so if you see, the last one is the sixth commit, the last one is the git stash related commit. Okay, this is the commit. So let's say here I will change this message. Okay, so how can I change this message? This has been already been committed, right? So in order to change the message, I can say git commit. Okay, press q to come out of it. Okay, so let's say git commit hyphen amend. Okay, so because we are going with the amend option, so git commit hyphen amend, and again we have to give the new message, because my intention is to update the message, right? So let's say my sixth commit, I'll say my seventh commit, right? So let's say my seventh commit. Okay, so now hit enter. So now it is updated, you can see one file changed. Okay, so now again run the git log. If I run the git log, I'll see, so the earlier commit message, whatever was there, that is overridden by the new amended commit message. Okay, this is my seventh commit, if you see here. But if you go up, you could see the seventh commit was git stash related commit. This was the earlier commit, but I changed the commit message to my seventh commit, if you see, right? So this is my seventh commit. So this is how exactly we can change the last commit message, that is git commit the hyphen amend, then hyphen m, and give the message. That's all. Okay, that's how we can change the commit. And let's see, we saw the changing of the message. Now we'll see changing the file content for the amendment. Okay, so q. Okay, so let's say cat file1, I believe, right? File1.txt. Okay, so git stash concept, there are 4 lines are there. This is file1.txt, learning git is fun, new line added, learning git stash concept. Okay, so let's see, I have committed my code, right? I'm a developer and I have committed my code, but I forgot to put a important line over there, right? But my commit is already gone and I don't want others to know, right? I missed that one and again I'm doing a new commit. So in that case, what I'll do, I can use the amend option, right? So let's see, we'll again go and update this file1.txt, and this new line, whatever we'll add there, right, new code, that will be amended to the existing commit, right, latest commit. So let's say vi file1.txt. Okay, so now insert mode. Okay, so enter. So git amend concept. Okay, let's say amend concept. Okay, so this is the line I'm adding, right? This is the new code change I'm doing. So escape colon wq blank. So now if I say cat file1 dot txt, okay, so what happened? So you can see the new line is getting added. This is the new code change. This is I forgot in my earlier commit, but now somehow I remembered. Okay, so now I'm doing again updating this file content, adding my required line of the code, and then I'll again do a commit. Okay, so how to do the commit again? So you can say we have to add and then we have to do the commit, right? So yeah, let's do that. So let's say git add dot, okay, say git commit. We can use hyphen am also, right? M. No, I don't want to. Okay, before here is the trick, right? I have updated the code, right? So the thing is I have updated the code, but if I update the message also, right, I don't want to update the message. I just want to push these changes. Okay, this new line whatever I have added, I'm just going to push it. Okay, I have already added. So let's say git commit, okay, hyphen amend. Okay, I'm going to amend it. Okay, how? Hyphen no, okay, hyphen edit, hyphen no edit. Okay, so git commit hyphen amend double hyphen no hyphen edit. Okay, if you want to update the message also, you can again give hyphen m and then give the message, but I don't want to do that. So now when I do that, so one file changed, 3 insertion and 1 deletion, that already got updated, right? So let's see git log. Okay, so if you see the my 7th commit, same thing whatever was there, right? So and we can see the content. Okay, so if I want to see cat file1 dot txt, so now if I see amend concept explained in depth, this got added, but there are no new commits on the same commit, only it went, right? So this is how you can add actually a new file, you can add and you can do the commit. Okay, so okay, and the next concept will be adding a new file and amending it to the existing commit, right? That's the next question. We just finished this one, right? Updating, change the old commit message is done. Update the file content without a new commit. Okay, this is done. Now next one is adding or removing a new file itself. Okay, or existing file. So let's add a new file. I can say let's say vi, let's create a new file, vi file2.txt. So I'm just creating a new file. So insert more, let's say this is file2.txt. Okay, and okay, so escape colon wq blank. So now cat file2.txt. So now you can see this is file2.txt. So now I created a new file itself. Now I want to amend it to the existing commit, right? So how to do? So first I have to add it anyhow, right? So let's say git add file2.txt. Okay, so now I have added this one. Okay, and now I have to say git commit double hyphen amend, okay, hyphen no hyphen edit. Now hit enter. So now if you see, this also got added. So now if I say git log on the same commit, right, my 7th commit, this is the topmost commit, right, on the same commit, okay, these new changes are gone. So I can say ls, I can see file1.txt and file2.txt both are present. Similarly, if you want to remove, you can remove like rm file2.txt and then add it, right? Git add file2.txt and then use the same same amend command, right? So then it will, this file will get deleted from the commit as well. Okay, so yeah, at any place if you want to update the message also, you can give hyphen name command along with it. Okay, that option will and after that you can give the message. Okay, so yeah, this is all to the git amend. It was like a very simple topic, right? Hope you guys got it properly, and if you guys have still have any doubt, please put your questions in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This amend I have not completed in the git IntelliJ session, so here you can I hope you got all the complete picture. Okay, so and I would request you to like the content and subscribe to my channel at QA automation classes on the YouTube. And if you really like these concepts and you are enjoying these classes, I would request you to share it with your friends and colleagues, right? So then they can also get benefited out of it. Okay,